Okay, so we want to get the model, or excuse me, we want to get the scale factor going from the model to real life. And previously we determined that 8.8 centimeters in the model is 130 feet in real life. Now, the centimeters are really nice to work with all the previous problems, but really inches are going to be nicer to work with for this. So I'm going to switch, and I measured it again. 8.8 centimeters. When I measured it, that turned out to be about 3.5 inches. So about 3.5 inches. Now I have to scale that up to 130 feet. Well, what do I have to? How many 3.5 inches are in 130 feet? Well, 130 feet is 130 times 12 inches, okay? Because each foot has 12 inches. So let's just figure that out. 130 times 10 plus 130 times 2, 1300 plus 260. So that's 1560. So I got to figure out how many 3.5s are in 1560. And I could do this with fractions if I wanted to, but I also know I could double this, so that's 7. And then I'd have to double this. That's 3,000. So 1,500 doubles 3,000. 3,120. 3,120. So I just doubled my 3.5. And I just doubled my 1,560. Okay. And so now I just have to figure out how many of these are in, how many 7s are in 3,120. Got to do division. 3, 1, 2, 0, 7. Well, let's see. I know 100 of those would be 700. 200 would be 1,400. Well, it's 400. 400 of these. Wow. 400 of these would be 2,800. That's going to be, let's see here, 200, 320 left. Uh, 40 would be 280. I can't do 50, so 40. There's 280. 40 left over. So this is 5. 35. 5 is my remainder. So 445 and 5/7. So I'd have to multiply by 445 and 5/7. So my scale factor is 445 and 5/7. What's that mean? Well, let's go back to here. That means I need 445. What fraction? 5/7. 445 and 5/7 of these to make the real one. To make the real one. That's a lot. This thing's a lot smaller. This is only 1/445 and change of the real boat. This is a big boat. And, in fact, you can look this up on Wikipedia. It's actually a pretty famous boat, the Endeavour. Okay, that's it.